Starting a YouTube channel can be tough, especially because a lot of people have this misconception that you need super expensive equipment when starting out before you can even think about making videos. And as someone who's thought that same thing and has bought some of that super expensive equipment, I'm here to tell you that could not be further from the truth. And I'm gonna prove it to you by dishing this whole setup and making a new one in under an hour with little to no money. Let's get started. Now, there are 3 pillars to shooting a video that can make or break it. 1 is lighting, 2 is composition, and 3 is audio. So we're gonna focus our new setup on those 3 things. First things first, we need a camera. Lucky for me and everybody else in the world, I have a perfectly capable camera right here. So I'm gonna be using my trusty old phone. Next, we need a location. And since I don't have a ton of money to spend on lighting, I'm gonna choose a place that has tons of natural light, like the back of my living room. And I'll just prop my camera on this. Cool. Now we have nice, even lighting. Perfect. For composition, I think I'm gonna do a nice medium close shot and make sure I take up the entire middle section of the frame, while also making sure I'm not too high or too low. I don't want any foreheads getting cut off, and I also don't want any of this weird dead space. Now I'll add in this backdrop, which is just a white bed sheet. Finally, we got audio. Now I could just use my phone's onboard microphone, but it's gonna sound like this. So not the best. So again, I just bought this cheap little lavalier mic for like 15 bucks and I'll connect it to my phone. I'll just tuck it under my shirt to be all fancy. There you go. And voila. Now I have fuller, cleaner audio. And if I wanted to improve the audio quality even more, I could always just use studio sound in post. So here it is. This shot only cost me 15 bucks because of the microphone, and sure, it's not gonna win me any Oscars or anything, but it's totally usable and it works. See, as long as the content and editing of my video are up to par, this is about as professional as my shot needs to get. Probably even more so. Who cares about this stupid white backdrop? So if professional equipment is the thing that's holding you back from starting to make videos, don't let it be. Trust me, it is not as important as you think. Okay, time to start my channel where I go across America and rate door handles. This one is a 10, by the way. I will not elaborate why.